Mike Hutchison has made Gasland. Now it's refueled and it's in a really beautiful specimen of a book. Open up the hood and look what's inside. This book, holding it as an army book, it's a really nice book. It's really good. Osprey Games, you have made a really nice book. I just have to say it straight out on the top. So here you have the contents, and yeah, everything here is really good laid out, so you can find what you are looking for. Monster Truck Smash is on 137. So yeah, we are going to, here you have the little intro, you know. So present day is 2018. It's 10 years anniversary. So it's a really cool little fluff history here, and you can read all about it. I'm going to just tell you straight up, it is Hot Wheels die cast miniatures. You put the glue stuff on them and have a game. And I really, just to talk about a little layout, you have from the middle out instead of from either side. I really like that. They mixed different art. So this is from the first book, you know, when it was a blue book. This is the second edition. I don't know if they are changed too much. So they are mixing between pictures of miniatures and art that there is drawn. And I like that this mix and match and how it looks. And the rule of carnage in Gasland is the rule of unclear. Choose whichever option results in the most carnage for all concerned. This is the rule of carnage. So there you go. The specific rules, the text of specific rules conflict with general rules is case of conflict. The text relating to the more specific circumstance override the more general rule. That's fine to know. A simultaneous effect. In the effects, a multiple special rule occur at the same time. The controller of the active vehicle decides the order of resolution. So, makes sense to me. Good rules, I think, as far as I can understand them. You're going to ramp up your hazard when you're driving your car around the pit. Look at all these cool opportunities you can have. So yeah, this is going to be a flick through. I'm not going to go too deep into the rules at all. This is just going to show you every page of this book, and I'm going to try to have as minimal impact of what I think and stuff like that on the rules and stuff. As I haven't played any games for this moment as I record this, so I feel I understand some of the rules, but you know, I have to put the pedal to the metal and really play the game before I feel I can really talk about the rules. But as a hobbyist, as a gamer of more than just Hot Wheels, but you know, playing war games and stuff like that, this is just appealing to me. You know, I've been collecting diecast cars since I was born. My brothers and sisters had leftover cars, and I put it in my mouth and haven't let go since. So and you know, the aesthetics and how, you know, this is more Mad Max territory, post-ecliptic kind of stuff, and I really like this picture here. It's really nice action shoot of you know, two diecast, and here you have with regular art. It's so cool. Example of play. I have read through the book just really fast, and I feel like the setup is really nice. It's just steadily giving you more and more rules to digest, and I'm starting with easy way to play, and then setting up a game, building. This is more, now it's going to be more advanced from this page and outwards. You know, now you can really like making more and more what you want to call it, advanced rules. And here you have team, drag racer, helicopter girl, ice cream truck, what? Monster truck, tank, war rig. So more and more cool stuff that you can build and engineer, and you can glue cool stuff to your miniatures and color them, paint them, you know, it's there are so much opportunities, you know, and yeah, I'm considering making hobby videos on how to hobby how the different teams, Miyazaki, Maskin, Irdis, Slimes, they have special rules to their, you know, brands. Highway Patrol, Warney, Maxine, the Order of Inferno, Beverly, the Devil of the Highway, Rusty's Bootleggers, hello, and perks. This is more in-depth what the perks are you can build to your cars. So you have the cost are cans, and you know, the most standard game, as I understand it, is 50 cans, and cars can cost from like 8 cans or something like that to like upwards. I can't remember right now. And then you have perks you can put on the cars that will cost you cans as well. So yeah, horror, military. So there's much of cool things you can put on. And the war rig, this is the war rig. You should be able to disconnect it, so you can, because it's counting as 2 cars. Yes, and there now you're coming into more like abilities you can use on your cars and stuff like this. And here you have suggestions on how to play scenarios, team games, death race, hello, and rise end, and how to clean up, televised events. There are some capture the flag tag, Saturday Night Live, Wasteland Skirmish, Express Delivery. So a scavenge party, the revolution will be televised. Zombie Bash, yeah, Big Game Hunter, Desert Strike, Monster Truck Smash, and Tank Commander. So in this Truckonosaurus. So just here you have, in this game you have a lot of mini games you can unlock and play, sort of, just to, you know, put another name on it. You can use campaigns, so you can level up your cars away if you want to play campaign. Ooh, it's so much fun stuff you can do. Hello, injuries, savage highways, narrative play, more like play version. So this is, I think, maybe the place I'm going to sit down with my 5-year-old and play, like more like a play free-for-all rules. We will see. And here we have scenario. Look at all this, it's just gorgeous. So, and then you have quick reference, nice and clean how you should start. Vehicles and what they hold points and what they cost in cans. You can see they cost up to 40 points here. And weapons, you can put weapons, weapon continued, upgrades, and then you have blueprint for every car. So you can photocopy this or go to gasland.com and get your like little cards, and here you put your name on your truck and stuff like that. And here you have the temples. You can also get this on gasland.com. And if you buy a little bundle right now, you get with it a little sprue. So I'm going to show you that. Hopefully you can see it. Maybe I should use the book, the black book, and you can see it's one bike. You have to glue it together like so. You have some weapons, you have snow plows, you have metal sheets you can put on your whatever on the sides, on front, exhaust pipes, big motor blocks. This is a toolbox. This is like a scoop. This is some guys you can put on that are driving open cars. So there are a lot of cool little details you can glue on your cars and have fun with. So if you buy in a bundle, you get this one, and limer du bare der, og så rundt hjulene, Sånn, ja. Og så se her. Så ser du, tar du bare en sånn der stripe over hele her. Får du til det?
Ok.
Ja, du trenger ikke presse, du ser bare durte borti, så kommer det. Ja, nei, det du blir ikke ødelegge. Det går fint. Ser det ut som en motorsykkel nå?
Ja. Som den kan kjøre med.
Kult. I bought one that is two of this one. This is the Implements of Carnage, so it's the same sprue as I showed you. Then you can buy the skid dice. You can use one D6 and use, it's a tablet inside. For one is hazard, and then you can draw them, and the really good one is shift, but that do not give you hazard. Hazard give 6 hazard and your car can blow up. Alright, next one up is Implements of Carnage. This is the token sets. So we are going to open it up and see what's inside. So this is hazard, and see how thick it is and how durable is this. It's really nice, and it looks like this when you take it off, and you can have it on your car. So you get I don't know, a truckload, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, so 24 of those. Then you have ammo, and then you have checkpoint Charlies, and then you have the goal token. Okay, so that is what's following if you want more tokens. And then the piece of resistance, the templates of Gasland REFULED, and it's fresh out of the print. So here you have all the templates. You have long, medium, and probably short somewhere, and all the turns, and you have this little thing besides that you can take off, but I like it like this because it's much easier to see, but you can have it transparent and see through if you want to just take off this sticker. But I like it how it looks like now, and I can see what's up and down. So I'm going to use it like this. All right, anyways, yeah, what more to say? You can see, if you have a slide template, you can hook it to this, so you can remember. And here it says if you have 4th or 5th gear, you get hazard. So they are a lot cool with the reminders. And then you have small template, and then you have large template. And this one, if you are gentle, you can get, if you are in 1st or 2nd gear, you get 1 extra dice of gearing up, which is really nice. Or shift, it's called shift. All right, this is the rapid short review of Gasland REFULED. All right, thank you for watching. Bye now.
Pappa, han har jo nesten limt fast allerede, og det ser jo ut som han gjorde.
Kjør han går det. Like